This is a capture challenge for black. White seems to have territory here and here on the corner, but white also has a lot of weaknesses. We count 1 cutting point, 2 cutting points, 1 throw in, 2 throw ins, and a 3rd cutting point here. Black should try some of these moves and see what happens. And the wrong moves are easy to eliminate, right? This one will not work. This doesn't help, right? This doesn't help. So the correct move is this cut. If white protects this cutting point, like this or this, then black can Atari these 3 white stones, and already they cannot connect. Eventually they'll be captured like this, if white insists on connecting them at 4 and 6. If white captures number 1, then now black can cut here. It's an Atari on these 4 white stones. And if white insists on connecting, this will be a connect and die. So if you're white, the best move is probably just to play here and this to allow black to capture these 3, but white can still ensure its own connection here on the first line. So this is probably the best result for both sides, 1 through 8. There are a couple of takeaways from this very simple problem. Number 1 is the basics. Always consider the cutting point. And number 2 is that even when one side has seemingly surrounded territory, it still might have weaknesses that the other side can exploit. And that is something that you should constantly calculate for in real games. Thank you for watching.